coming to you. Is the opposition just making noise for the sake of making noise, given that sugar was still even being imported earlier on? It's not anything new.
Okay, first of all, I'd like to just give a pole, because I'm from Kwale, for the children who passed away yesterday. 7 children died. And I don't think it's anybody to blame. Things like that happens with the ocean. And then next, I'd like to say, first of all, I think we should appreciate in Kenya that the opposition is just not there to make any noise. In fact, the opposition is very crucial. We need the opposition, because if nobody ever speaks out about anything, we'll be very worse off than we are already in Kenya. And next, in terms of the sugar issue, we're not making noise because we know that the sugar industry is in the doldrums. It's basically dying in the ICU. And, you know, we appreciate that the president gave 1 billion to Mumia's Sugar to help it revive. But it's not enough, because the sugar companies in the country owe a lot. They owe billions of shillings. And so, apart from giving money to these industries, also we need to find out why government parastatals or parastatals or companies that government has shared in, why is there a lot of loss and nobody's ever being held accountable, including Kenya Airways recently, as you've seen, big billions of shillings, a lot of billions of shillings are being lost, and we don't know how it all came out. It seems very sudden. Although, of course, it's not. So we're not just making noise. We need to raise these issues. As Senator has said, there are 6 million people who directly benefit from the sugar industry in the country. Those are families. Those are parents trying to send children to school. Those are people trying to put food on their table. Kenyans trying to put food on the table. So what we are raising is something very valid. And this discourse, I don't agree with the discourse that goes on in the country that opposition is just making noise. I think Kenyans should really appreciate the role that opposition is playing, and in fact support us to be able